Hi, I am Hazel May Sulayo, Kingdom Movers Batang Scholar Africa, from KMBI Tacloban branch. I should be the one who will be chosen as the Kingdom Movers Batang Scholar. It's because I want to continue my studies on college, and I know that my mother can't afford to finance us. It's because we are two college students na dapat mapag-aralin ngayong school year. Na dapat ang isa sa amin ay maghinto sa pag-aaral. At my mother, siya ang tumataguyod ngayon sa amin because my father has already died. And my sister, namatay din siya noong March 2. Na dapat ang magpapaaral sa akin sa college. So kahit wala na siya, ipapatuloy ko pa rin ang aking pag-aaral and sa mga kagustuhan niya and also to my family. My dreams in life are first, I want to continue my studies in college and graduate as a CPA. Because since when I was in elementary, I want to be a CPA someday. Then I will find work so that I can help my family and also to my younger brother. I want him to continue his studies sapagkat gusto ko siyang pag-aralin dahil ayoko nakikita siyang nahirapan ang aking ina dahil sa kakulangan ng pera.